In this video, I'll show you how to download the Claude AI desktop app step by step. This allows you to use Claude directly on your computer without opening a browser. To begin, I'll open my web browser and go to claude.ai. Once the page loads, I'll scroll slightly and look below the Sign In section. Under the Login options, I'll see a button labeled Download Desktop App. Next, I'll click the Download Desktop App button. After clicking it, the installer file for the Claude desktop application will begin downloading to my computer. Once the download finishes, I'll open the installer file from my Downloads folder. Then I'll follow the installation steps shown on the screen to install the Claude desktop application. After the installation is complete, I'll open the Claude desktop app from my computer. If prompted, I'll sign in with my Claude account, and the app will open the Claude interface where I can start chatting with the AI. And that's it. I've successfully downloaded and installed the Claude AI desktop app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.